Welcome back. Today, we're creating the Prosperity Partners logo, where a sleek P monogram cleverly represents a professional human figure with a face and tie.